medyo nagpanik.
There's no time code! Okay lang yan. Tama yan.
You know, once a concert begins, wala na. Tuloy-tuloy na yan. Kahit may mga problemang tulad nito.
Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Gary Valenciano, Mr. Pure Energy, proud na proud sa kanyang anak na si Paolo Valenciano sa pagiging direktor ng Mahalima. At syempre, bumilib ang Pure Energy sa ating SB19. Proud na proud din ang Mr. Pure Energy, Gary Valenciano sa concert na to. The best ever concert sa Pilipinas, wakas at simula. Talagang pinakita at sinalaysay ni Gary Valenciano in this 6 minutes, more than 6 minutes video na pinost niya sa kanyang social media. Proud na proud talaga. Hindi lang tatay, kundi proud din sa kanyang anak na direktor ng ating The King of P-Pop SB19.
Yes. Simula at wakas ng SB19 under the direction of my son, Paolo Valenciano. Alam nyo, grabe talaga ang SB19. I was so proud of them and I always will be. Wait, Paolo's giving some cues. Wait. This is one concert I think stands to be one of the very best ever staged. And I love it when he has his kids around. Yan si Leia and that is Luch. Anytime daw. I'm such a fan of this person. Sayang hindi ko siya nakilala. Pero ang ganda talaga ng boses, no?
During the fourth.
Ano raw?
When Jem plays the throne, there's no visual. Okay, take out music.
So, here is Paolo giving cues just before the concert began. Hindi pa nga nag-uumpisa yung concert, nagbibigay na siya ng mga cue. Kasi importante talaga sa kanya yung mga opening ng shows.
3, 2, 1, go, Vivi.
And this was just before the concert began. No, si Paolo kasi, through the years, he's learned how to, alam niya kung kailan at kung paano kiligin ng mga fans. In this case, 18. Sino naman ang hindi kikiligin na makita ang SB19 sa ganitong kalaking LED screen? You know, you milk the moment na wala pa sila sa stage, naririnig mo na yung hiyawan ng tao.
Right card. Right card, go.
Galing talaga ng concert na to.
Go, Jem. Pasok ang mga, pasok go. I can see. Ready?
Standby na.
Time code. Time code.
He's talking about time code. Time code is what is used para mag-sync lahat ng music at saka video and lights. Kaso nalimutan niya na may 12 seconds pa bago pumasok yung time code. Medyo nagpanik.
There's no time code! Okay lang yan. Tama yan.
You know, once a concert begins, wala na. Tuloy-tuloy na yan. Kahit may mga problemang tulad nito.
Jem! Nag-prepare na ba? Ray, Jem! Ano nangyari?
But you are the captain of the ship. You're the director of the show. You call the shots. And you make sure that the show must go on.
Sambay kami.
What's important is that you enjoy the show yourself. Alam nyo, pati ako ng surprise eh. Dito pala galing sa tao yung SB19. Grabe. Whew. Siyempre, enjoy din si Paolo. It feels good to see my son working like this. Parang I was watching 2 shows in one. Tapos pag nakita nyo yung 18 na sumabay sa kanilang iniidolo, nakakataba talaga ng puso. Sorry pero sabi ni Paolo kasi first song pa lang medyo nag-o-overflow na ang kanyang underarm. But he had to continue calling the shots. Kaya siya nag-change costume. Now this is a director. It's a lot of work that people don't see or hear like I did that night. Okay, tahimik na muna ako, okay? Because I also want to watch some of the highlights of the concert like you guys want to. Check it out. Alam niyo sa concert na to, parang there was something really special about this. Parang feel na feel ko ang bawat kanta. Alam niyo, napanood ko yung simula at wakas eh. Na grabe din. Pero itong wakas at simula, parang mula sa umpisa hanggang sa dulo ng concert na to, it was undeniably something that had so much heart and so much soul. And to see my son calling the shots, making sure na kung ano ang ipepresent sa A-Team ay ang pinakamagaling na performances ng SB19. And what fascinated me was, ito yung isa sa mga last songs na to eh. Pero committed pa rin si Paolo to direct it until the very last song. Okay na eh. Pa-closing na eh. Papuntang closing na ng show eh. Pero look at him. There's nothing else to direct when a concert is flowing the way it did that night. Kaya super proud talaga ako. Congratulations to SB19 for all the concerts that they've done, especially this one. And I'm very proud of my son, Paolo. This was Wakas at Simula, SB19's biggest concert, directed by my son, Paolo Valenciano. Congrats, son. I love you.
Ang post na to ay nangyari noong concert ng SB19 sa SMDC at naging trending at usap-usapan ang mga binitawang mga salita at istorya ni Mr. Gary Valenciano sa kanyang Facebook account. Na-mention din, maliban sa SB19, na-mention din ni Gary Valenciano ang fandom ng SB19 na 18. Sobrang special ang post na to ni Mr. Gary Valenciano sa pagdidirect ng kanyang anak sa SB19 Wakas at Simula recently lamang na naganap sa SMDC at sold out na sold out. Jam-packed na jam-packed ang 18 na nanood.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.